Hello and welcome to Writing in the Real World, a podcast where we talk about ways to improve your writing so you can achieve your real world goals faster. I'm your host, Marina Gabor, co-founder and CEO of Summit Writing, and in today's episode, we'll talk about 2 simple ways to improve your writing. These are things you can start doing today and see a noticeable difference, a noticeable improvement in a short period of time. You'll find the link to the related blog post and resources in the show notes. So grab your notebook and pen or digital note-taking device and get ready to jot down your action items. Let's get started with 2 simple ways to improve your writing. I get it. You've got limited time to improve your writing, or perhaps you hate writing, and the less time it takes, the better. Whatever your situation, I've got 2 simple ways to improve your writing. Of course, you'll have to put in some time, but the time you spend will give you the biggest return for your time investment. So let's dive right in. Number 1, pre-writing. You've probably heard of pre-writing before. Maybe you've even done it. But improving your pre-writing is a critical skill that people often skip because it takes some time and effort. I said it would be simple. I didn't say necessarily easy, and it does take some time and effort, but it is a simple tool to use. Time spent pre-writing will make the rest of the writing process exponentially faster and easier because it helps clarify your purpose and your message. Have you ever bought anything at IKEA? A piece of furniture that you have to assemble? If you have, you'll understand the analogy. The instructions show the picture of a finished product. There's your bookshelf, the one that you want to put your latest collection on. And so step by step, they will guide you through the building process, even if you're not a carpenter. Each step shows you exactly what pieces you need and where to attach them. If you follow the instructions, you'll end up with your piece of furniture, your bookshelf. If the instructions are missing, you might have an idea of what it should look like, but you might end up with leftover pieces and a wobbly bookshelf. Pre-writing is like crafting the instructions for writing. You decide what you're making, what you're writing, and then figure out what pieces you'll need to make it. With your writing, this means you've brainstormed ideas, chosen your topic, narrowed it down, drafted an outline. And once you've finished your pre-writing, you'll know what to write in your first draft. Number 2, feedback integration. Keyword, integration. It's great to get feedback, but we need to use it. So after writing, so we've done our pre-writing, we've written our composition, we've revised it. We'll talk about those things in other episodes. You need to get friendly, specific, and actionable feedback. It is a tool that you can use to improve your writing in less time. So let's stick with this IKEA furniture analogy. So finally, you've assembled your bookshelf. You invite a friend over to see it. What do you think? You ask proudly. They notice that it's leaning away from the wall. Not so good, especially if you have young children. Even if you have old children, even if you have no children, a leaning bookshelf. Yikes. And some of the shelves, they're sloped, crooked. If they told you they loved it but didn't mention the errors, they wouldn't be doing you a favor. However, if they mentioned that their bookshelves used to lean too, but they used brackets to secure them to the wall, that would be helpful. If they showed you an easy way to make sure your bookshelves were straight, you'd be able to fix the problem in no time. The next time you assembled a bookshelf, because of course you'll need another one soon with your growing book collection, you'd use a bracket to attach it to the wall and be able to install level shelves the first time. Taking action on feedback helps you improve faster. Remember that word integration? Yes, we want to use the feedback. Feedback that is specific and actionable. It's gold. But like gold, it can be hard to find. So you'll need to actively look for someone willing and able to give you that kind of feedback that will move your writing forward quickly. And if you don't have someone to provide you with friendly, specific, and actionable feedback, come to Summit Writing. We can help. Take action. Paul J. Meyer says, productivity is never an accident. It is always the result of a commitment to excellence, intelligent planning, and focused effort. Are you committed to improving your writing? What goal will you be able to achieve when you improve your writing skills? What goal will you be able to achieve when you improve your writing skills? I invite you to take action today. Get your free copy of the 7-Step Writing Jumpstart Kit. It will take you through the writing process, give you actionable strategies for improving your writing skills. You'll learn how to use the pre-writing process to unlock your ideas, maximize the experiences you have, solicit useful feedback, and overall how to spend your writing time so you get the most value for your time. Are you ready? Are you ready to jumpstart your writing? It'll take less time than you think. Thank you so much for joining me today on Writing in the Real World. Until next time, happy writing.